Oldgrowth forests host all sorts of biological complexity and ecological function like capturing and storing carbon, and they mature over thousands of years, especially those up in northern BC and the boreal forest where trees are stunted by cold weather and short growing seasons. And once they're gone, it takes thousands of years for them to reach that same level of complexity. Unfortunately, these forests are a small fraction of what they used to be, and they're still being cut down with a huge portion of them, particularly those up north, being turned into tissue and toilet paper so that we can wipe our butts, which is pretty shitty, pun intended. See, conventional toilet paper requires a specific type of pulp with fine materials that makes it so fluffy and nice on your rump, but that pulp can only be created from primary forest content. Canada is the second largest exporter of wood pulp in the entire world, while also ranking number 3 for forest degradation, cutting down millions of acres of old-growth coastal, northern BC, and boreal forests a year to achieve that title. Big toilet paper producers like Procter & Gamble or Paper Excellence claim that pulp is merely a byproduct of logging and that timber drives forest degradation, yet 44% of this pulp is made from whole trees, not just scraps. So clearly that is a lie, and they're even on record saying that they specifically rely on pulp from old-growth forests for these products. Now, because of loopholes and corrupt verification processes, many of these sources for toilet paper are still FSC or SFI certified sustainable, which is a whole other topic to cover. But that basically means that despite what their catchy greenwashing slogans say, any of that fluffy bleach white tree-derived toilet paper you're buying comes from old-growth forests, whether in Canada or elsewhere in the world, and its demand is a huge driver in ongoing old-growth logging. The good news is that the solution is really easy. You can purchase toilet paper from recycled or alternative sources, or better yet, use a bidet to help save these ecosystems and their function for a better future for us all.